In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block and report someone on Vinted. This quick walkthrough will show you exactly where these options live on the website and what each one does so you can keep your shopping experience safe and stress-free. Start by opening your browser and heading to vinted.com. Once you're on the homepage, use the search bar at the top to look for any item. The search itself doesn't have to be specific. The goal is simply to open a listing so you can access the seller's profile. If you already have an item in mind from the person you're concerned about, you can use that, but any listing will work for this process. Click on a listing to open the item page. Here, you'll see photos, a description, the price, and details about the seller. Locate the seller's name or profile area on this page and click it to go to their profile. This is important because the block and report options are found on the seller's profile, not directly on the item. Once you're on the seller's profile, look to the top right corner for the three-dot menu. Click those three dots to open the profile actions. In this menu, you'll see the options to block or report. Choose block if you want to stop interacting with this person entirely. Blocking is private and immediate. It's designed to limit your contact and visibility with that user, which helps prevent unwanted messages, offers, or encounters with their listings. It's a good choice when you simply don't want to engage, even if no rules have been broken. Choose report if the user's behavior breaks platform guidelines such as harassment, scams, fake items, hate speech, or other violations. When you click report, you'll be prompted to select a reason. Provide clear, factual details to help moderators understand what happened. If you've noticed patterns like repeated spam or misleading listings, mention that context in the report text. The moderation team reviews reports and may take action based on their policies. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. Be as specific as possible when reporting and avoid engaging further with problematic users once you've taken action. If you're using the mobile app, the layout may look slightly different, but the path is the same. Open a listing, go to the seller's profile, tap the three-dot menu, and choose block or report. That's it. You've learned how to navigate to a seller's profile and use the block and report tools on Vinted to protect your experience. Thanks for watching and stay safe while you buy and sell.